All right, gang, Beast Cooler accessories coming in clutch for me. I got an RTIC cooler, and somewhere along the way, our drain plug got screwed all the way out and lost. And that's where this comes in. They have these replacements, 2-pack replacements for drain plugs. They fit RTIC and Yeti, and a few other brands of coolers. And they're pretty straightforward. They're a simple replacement. They do come with an O-ring, even if you have an older cooler where the O-ring is crushed or pinched or gone. This is a great way just to get a replacement. It does have the drain port in the side, so you don't have to fully pull it out like the original drain plugs. And so it's a great, easy solution. Fix the problem. If you've lost a drain plug or need to replace one, check them out. I think you're going to love them. Made by Beast Cooler Accessories.